Welcome student. I am Mr. Abhijit Bambre, working as assistant professor at Gokhale Education Society's Arts, Commerce and Science College Jawhar. Today we are going to discuss some medicinal term, that is receptor, what is agonist, what is antagonist, what is drug receptor interaction. So student, let's see one by one. First one, that is receptor. It is the portion of the molecule or structure with which the therapeutically active compound interact, producing series of events leading to an observable response. Receptor means it is the portion of the molecule or structure with which the therapeutically active compound interact to producing series of event leading to an observable response is called as receptor. In other word, receptor is or receptor are micromolecule or binding site located on the surface or inside the cell that recognize the signal molecule or drugs and give response are called as receptor. In general, receptor are binding site where molecule or therapeutically active compound get attached and it get activated are called receptor. Receptor are generally it's an protein molecule found over the cell. Receptor are four type. First one, ligand gated receptor. Second, enzyme link receptor. Third one, G protein coupled receptor. Fourth, intracellular receptor. Next, agonist. Agonists are the biomolecule or the drug that activate the receptor for their biological function or responses. What is agonist? Agonists are the biological bioactive drug or biomolecule that activate the receptor for their biological function or desired response are called as agonist. Next, an agonist are exogenous chemical. An agonist are exogenous chemical or the drug that mimic or show similar effect like endogenous ligand, that is natural biomolecule. For example, exogenous means outside the body. Exogenous chemical means outside the body and endogenous means inside the body. Next, drug as agonist has more clinical values as they can act longer time. Agonists are longer time as compared to the natural agonist because they have greater capacity to resist their degradation. It means exogenous chemical, they are not easily degradable, and endogenous chemical are easily degradable. For example, salbutamol, that is exogenous drug, so larger response than the adrenaline, where adrenaline is endogenous agonist. Got it? In general, Agonist, it is a chemical or drugs that bind to a receptor. Agonist, it is a chemical or drugs that bind to a receptor and activate the receptor site to produce a biological response. Next, antagonist. Antagonists are drugs that inhibit, decreases, or oppose the action of another drugs or endogenous ligand. What is antagonist? Antagonists are drugs that inhibit or decrease or oppose the action of another drugs or endogenous ligand are called as antagonist. In other words, it is a chemical. It is any chemical or any drugs that bind to a receptor and block biological response are called as antagonist. Antagonists show their action in presence of agonist. Hence, they have no effect themselves. Antagonists have no effect themselves. Antagonist can bind the same receptor or the other to exert their action. In general, antagonists are bind to receptor and block biological response, whereas agonists bind to receptor and activate the receptor to produce a biological response. Next, see the picture. In that picture, what is agonist, what is receptor, what is antagonist? When agonist is attached to receptor, that is binding site, and activate the receptor, there is some conformational changes take place, then turn on site, it gives biological response or desired response. It means agonist activate the receptor and gives biological response, whereas antagonist block the receptor. There is some or various mechanism take place. Antagonist on receptor, they block the receptor, turn off site, and there is no biological response. It means antagonist block the receptor or resist, inhibit, or decrease the biological activity. Got it? Then next, drug receptor interaction. What is drug receptor interaction? Drug action is due to binding of drug to the receptor site. Drug receptor interaction is a drug action is due to binding of drug to a receptor site and it get activate. Next, the drug binding is due to some ionic and non-ionic forces. Non-ionic forces is due to hydrogen bonding, then hydrophobic bonding and van der Waals forces. Drug action or drugs are two types: structurally non-specific drugs and structurally specific drugs. Structurally specific drugs, where drugs action is depend on physiochemical properties of drugs, whereas in structurally specific drugs, their drug action is depend on chemical structure of the drugs. There is two type of drugs. In drug interaction, receptor interaction, there is two type of drugs. One is structurally non-specific drugs and one is structurally specific drugs. In structurally non-specific drugs, drug action is depend on physiochemical properties, whereas in structurally specific drugs, where drug action is depend on chemical structure of the drugs. Next, there is drug receptor interaction equation. See the equation where D, capital D denotes drugs, R denotes receptor, where DR, D and R complex, E is biological effect, where K1, K2 and K3 are rate constant for adsorption, desorption from the receptor site and the production of the receptor effect respectively. So student, today what we can discuss is first what is receptor, then what is agonist, what is antagonist and drug receptor interaction. What is receptor? In short, it is a binding site found in our the cell. Then next, agonist, it is a chemical or any chemical or drugs. When it bind to a receptor, they activate the receptor and gives biological response. Got it? Then antagonist are any chemical, any drugs that bind to a receptor and block the receptor or block the biological response. Thank you.